Hello everyone, I am Sharmita Mukti. I am pursuing my second year BE Electronics and Communication Engineering in Avinash Pinkham University. In this video, we are going to see about the astable multivibrator. It is an electronic oscillator circuit that continuously switches between on state and off state. In astable multivibrator, we used in LED flashing circuit, timer circuit, pulse generation, and clock signal generation. In this circuit, we use two transistors Q1 and Q2 and two capacitors C1 and C2. The resistors are R1 and R2. The LED connected to the both sides. R1 and R2 resistors are help to control the charging and discharging time of the capacitors. The capacitors C1 and C2 provide timing. Q1 and Q2 transistors are act like a switch. When the power is on, one transistor turns on first while the other is off condition. For example, when Q1 is on, the LED D2 glows and D1 off remains off. After some time, the capacitor charges and changes the state. Then Q1 turns off and the Q2 turns on. Now D1 glows and D2 turns off. This process repeats continuously, causing the LEDs to blink alternately. So, a stable multivibrator is a circuit that continuously changes between on and off states without any stable condition. If we change the capacitor value high, Mm. the timing delay also very high. Thank you.